stains be gone. June 25th, 2026. William on the way. Let's work.
Stains be gone.
Yeah. Sun coming up, got the van packed tight. Another happy homeowner by the end of the night. Pulled in the driveway, smile on my face. Customer pointing at the stains all over the place. One big living room, traffic going down. Staircase crying, footprints all around. Kids had fun, life happened too. Now it's time to make them carpets feel brand new. Corner guards up, hoses rolled in. Every job we touch, that's another big win. Pre-spray working while the CRB glide. Breaking up the dirt that's been hiding inside.
Don't worry about the spots. We done seen worse before. Just give us a little time. We'll have you loving your floor. So fresh, so clean, looking better than you've ever seen. Stains be gone, we changing everything. Bringing carpets back like a brand new dream.
So fresh, so clean. Every step got that luxury sheen. William pulled up, now everybody know. When we leave your home, watch your carpets glow. Every traffic lane's disappearing real fast. Those stubborn stains, they be coming to pass. Hot water extraction doing what it do.
Pulling years of dirt straight up out the glue. Yeah. Walking backwards, leaving perfect lines. Every scene pass, looking one of a kind. Living room shining, staircase bright. Home on the
Yes, sir.
side, they say, man, that's right.
Which one?
Neighbors peek in through the window too. Wondering who just made the carpets new.
Stairs.
That stains be gone every single day. Turn a worn out carpets a professional way.
Grace in the work.